Hello everyone and welcome to this course on developing iOS applications in iOS 9 with Swift 2. My name is Paul Napier, and throughout this series of videos we'll be looking at the practical implementation of the new programming language Swift 2 for creating a stylish and engaging application that your users will love. I've been working as a developer in one form or another for the last decade and moved into mobile development around 7 years ago. I've worked on a variety of mobile projects, both personal and commercial, as well as a variety of scales, and simply love the challenge of applying the logic to create solutions that enable users in the modern world. Although I have worked across both iOS and Android, my passion definitely lies in the world of iOS, and the advent of Swift has solidified that. During this course, we're going to create an application that I think truly fits in with the nature of this course. Dreamseeker is an application that will allow you to create a list of things that you want to do, or places you want to go. And then you can tick them off once you've achieved your dream. We'll walk through each step you need to take, from the installation of the development environment, to creating your user interface in the interface builder, to applying your logic within the model view controller development pattern, and implementing your navigation pattern as well. In section 1, Getting Started, we'll walk through the steps of installing the integrated development environment Xcode, which will be the tool you will use to develop your application. Then, we'll review how to register as an Apple developer, as well as taking a quick look at the different benefits of each program. In section 2, Exploring the development environment, we will create the project for Dreamseeker, the application we will be building. After this, we will explore the environment itself, before taking a look at some of the core elements you need to understand about an iOS project. In section 3, Playing with the user interface, we'll start working on our application by building the elements that will form the front of our application. We'll look at different concepts such as size classes, auto layout, and assets. In section 4, Building user interaction with model view controller, we'll begin by creating the model we will use for our application. Then step through the view controller lifecycle before hooking up our elements within the user interface to our view controller. After this, we'll understand delegation and notification design patterns as a way to work with text fields and image pickers. In section 5, Table Views, we will implement this important feature and UI element, making use of the cells, data source, and delegate protocols, and then loading data into the application and working with user interactions. In section 6, Working with multiple view controllers, we will discover how we navigate around the application by implementing UI navigation controller and segues, as well as how we can pass data across with NS user defaults. And then finally, in section 7, Completing the project, we will polish our application by adding app icons and displaying the launch screen. If you follow along with each of these videos, then by the end, you can tick off learning to develop an app from your own list on the Dreamseeker app.